Alright, today we're going to talk about the Ring second generation. Over here is your Ring sensor, and this is the door sensor and window sensor. I use it for garage, as you can see. So I'll put it on the side of the it's not in the way or anything. So every time I open the garage, as you can see, it will light up, let me know it's open. You can actually turn off this light to let you know that, to save a little bit batteries, but not much. As soon as you close it, it will let me know the store is closed. It's pretty nifty. So that's basically it. Ring door sensor repurposed to the garage door sensor. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.